My name is Ammu Vijayan, student of S4 Civil. Topic is numerical of 3-hinged arches. The question is a symmetrical 3-hinged parabolic arch of span 15 meter and raise 12 meter carry a UDL of 14 kN per meter over left of span. The hinges are provided at the supports and at center of arch. Calculate reaction at support. Also calculate bending moment, radial shear, normal truss at a distance of 8 meter from left support. First we want to draw a parabolic 3-hinged arch with rise 12 meter, span 15 meter and UDL 40 kN per meter over left of span and at a distance of 8 meter from left support. Draw a cross section. Here we want to find bending moment, normal truss and radial shear. Consider sigma y is equal to 0, VA plus VB is equal to 14 into 25. To change UDL into a point load, we multiply this half distance with UDL 14. That is 14 into 25. VA plus VB is equal to 1000 kN. This makes equation 1. To find VB, we want to find moment at point A. That is sigma MA equal to 0. 14 into 25 into 25 by 2 minus VB in 15 is equal to 0. This makes equation 2. VB equal to 215 kN. Substituting the value of VB in equation 1, we get VA equal to 715 kN. Then to find H, we take moment at crown. That is sigma MC equal to 0. VA into 25 minus H into 12 minus 14 into 25 into 25 by 2 is equal to 0. Substituting value of VA, that is 750 kN, we get value of H is equal to 520.833 kN. Then we want to find reaction at point A and point B. That is RA equal to root of VA square plus H square. That is root of 715 square plus 520.833 square. We get value of RA is equal to 930.108 kN and RB equal to root of VB square plus H square. Then we get value of RB equal to 577.725 kN. Then we consider equation of parabola, that is y equal to 4y c x into L minus x by L square. Then we want to find yd. Yd is equal to 4 into 12 into 8 into 15 minus 8 by 15 square. We get value of yd is equal to 6.45 meter. And tan theta equal to dy by dx. Differentiating y with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to 4 into 12 into 15 minus 2x by 15 square. Putting value of x equal to 8. Then dy by dx equal to 4 into 12 into 15 minus 2 into 8 by 15 square. Tan theta equal to 0.6528. Theta equal to tan inverse of 0.6528. And value of theta equal to 33.136 degree. Then we want to find moment at section. This mx equal to VA into 8 minus h into y minus 14 into 8 into 8 by 2. Substituting value of VA, h and y, we get value of moment at section equal to 1316.63 kN. And to find normal truss and radial shear, we want to find net vertical force, that is Vx equal to Va minus 14 into 8. We get value of Vx equal to 413 kN. Then we want to find normal truss, that is N equal to Hx cos theta plus Vx sin theta. Substituting value of Hx cos theta and Vx, we get value of N is equal to 671.182 kN. And then we want to find radial shear, that is F equal to Vx cos theta minus hx sin theta. Substituting value of Vx, theta and hx, we get value of radial shear equal to 75.39 kilonewton. Thank you.